Once upon a time, two little brothers, Ion and Eros, lived on a poultry farm with their father. They loved helping their dad collect eggs and feed the chickens.
It was a bright and sunny morning at the poultry farm. The sun rose over the fields and birds chirped cheerfully. Ion, the elder brother, and Eros, the younger brother, played happily near the chicken coop.
One evening, after a day of fun and hard work, the family gathered for dinner outside their cozy farmhouse. Father told stories about his own childhood, and the boys listened eagerly. As the sun set, they all went to bed, the farm peaceful under the starry sky.
That night, a fierce storm hit. Thunder rumbled and rain poured down heavily. Suddenly, a loud crash came from the poultry farm, waking Ion and Eros. Ion, did you hear that? Eros whispered, frightened. We need to check the poultry farm. Hurry, Ion decided. The brothers grabbed their raincoats and flashlights, then quietly snuck out of the house. They ran through the pouring rain toward the poultry farm. There, they found a huge, scary animal rummaging through the coop. We need to protect our chickens, Ion said, trying to stay calm. Ion bravely stepped forward, waving his flashlight to scare the animal away. The animal growled but slowly retreated into the darkness. The brothers quickly checked on the chickens, making sure they were safe.
The family shared a warm moment, and the farm was peaceful once again. Ion and Eros played happily near the poultry farm, their bond stronger than ever. And so, they learned that bravery and teamwork could overcome any challenge.